Seasonal for us this weekend. We're getting ready to see those temperatures go up despite the fact that a cold front is in our forecast. Right now, taking a live look out over toward Baltimore, noticing maybe a few clouds dotting the sky, but overall fairly pleasant for us this evening. Temperature-wise, the Inner Harbor 49 degrees. Good evening to you in Annapolis at 43, the same number for you rolling through Essex and even up through Bel Air. Look at the wind speeds right now because boy has this changed, right? Yesterday we were seeing some of the wind sustained into the 20 near 30 miles per hour range. Right now we're only at 3. But give it about 12 to 24 hours and we will all be talking yet again about the high winds coming our way as we're anticipating breezy conditions that's going to pull in a cold front and also pull in a little bit of rain. Rain not quite out here just yet. The radar is sweeping clean, but that is going to change. And when we take a look at the broader view here, the high pressure is further to our south, and what it's doing with that clockwise flow, it's pulling in some of the moisture. The other thing it's doing, though, is it's allowing this cold front to arrive into our general area. So first we'll notice those clouds tomorrow. The wind is going to increase all as that front approaches, and then the rain wrapped right around it comes later on into the day, and really more so as we head on in through about Tuesday. Here's your proof, right? By 1 o'clock or by 2 o'clock on Monday, starting to see a little bit of green coming on in toward the Beltway. I don't think it's going to be a lot, though. In fact, I think tomorrow's rainfall maybe just about a 20 to 30% chance of it. So not looking like we're going to see as much as this one model's indicating. By the time we get to 11 o'clock, though, the chance of precipitation starts to take a little bit of a break and the winds start to die down as well. Temperatures on Tuesday will be very warm out ahead of that cold front. They spike. We're going into the 60s for us. And yet again, though, that warm air could spark a few showers rolling through the region. So we're starting off at around 3 o'clock, right around the time you have to pick up those kiddos from school. Once we get to 5 o'clock, look at this intensity, right? The yellows, the reds, rainfall coming down so hard it's very hard to see outside your windshield right when you're driving on home from your evening commute. So something really to look for, maybe a good idea or a good excuse to work a little bit later. And then when you leave, maybe at around 6, 7 o'clock, you can beat the rain, and the rain will have already moved through the region. And so will that front. When that front clears the area, we get rid of the clouds, we get rid of the chance of rain, we dry out, and temperatures, though, they stay mild even behind that front. Rainfall totals with this storm system, though, maybe picking up 3/10 of an inch in the Inner Harbor, the same for you into Parkton and Bel Air, picking up almost 3/10 of an inch. We are at a little bit of a surplus for rain, at least for this year and really even this season. What we're really missing is the snowfall, and we're not going to get any of that, at least in the next 7 days. Here's your forecast for you out ahead of that cold front with the wind. You'll notice by 10 o'clock, 49 degrees. It will start to turn breezy once we get to noon, 56. And by 2 o'clock, we're at 59 degrees. That rain chance coming in for Annapolis right around 4 p.m. for you. And then your 7-day forecast shows you a heavier chance of rain, though once we head through Tuesday, by then a 40% rain chance for you. And then on Wednesday, we're at 59 degrees. The rain starts to drop off 20%. That's just in the morning ahead of that front. Look what happens behind it, though. We see plenty of sunshine and temperatures fall into the 50s with that cold front, so it's not too frigid. There is a chance that we're watching for Friday and Saturday for another rain event coming our way, but right now temperatures still staying on into the lower 50s. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Mallory, over to you.